Hello people, this is Bart from Elliott Wave, and today we are up with the DEX, so one of my favorites. We're going to take a look as usual at the DEX using Elliott Wave Theory, see what's happening, what could be happening. We will not focus on the longer term count because we did so many times before. We'll just focus on this most recent up move here. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, for reference, today is the 31st of March, and the market is open. It's almost 10. It's 10 to 10 a.m. here in Central European time. Okay, so market opened 50 minutes ago. Okay, so I would say we can go straight to the 4-hour. By the way, I haven't posted this weekend because not because I forget about you guys, but I just wanted to let more time go on, so more trading days, so I could actually give better updates. As well as you guys know me, I'm lazy. I don't want to make any videos. So also I see some we kind of missed the target was 2,700 subs by today, but still we're very close. We're shy. We're just off 17 new subs. So if you enjoy the content and you want to subscribe, really helps. So here, let's just label it at this point. Leading diagonal into wave 1. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. 3 down, 3 up, 5 down into wave C for a diagonal. Then 1, flat 2, up in 3, down in 4, up in 5. Sharp down into wave 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Sideways flat 2, A. Ooh. Wait, that's a mislabel. Okay, so that's when things get interesting. So so let's draw the channel with 3 and 4 of sub-minuet degree. Okay, so 1, 2, 1 and 3 connected to 2. You get your estimate for wave 4. Now the question is this down in A, 3 down into wave B, down in C, which I think it's reasonable, or could we have wave 4 here? So here's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Short term. Okay, so or is this, I'm just gonna label what I'm interested in right now. Okay. This would have been I think it was here somewhere, just forgive me. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's where we were. Okay, so basically what we're doing is we're trying to look for short-term alternates. Okay, so alternative counts. Now, the subdivision is the same as before. I'm not going to label it because I don't want your time wasted. So the question was so we were, so let me just maybe have it here. So it's easier. A, B, and C for wave 4 here. What if wave 4 is here, so sideways correction here, some sort of a comp of XY, up in 5, which would end for A, B, C, maybe 4 here. And at this point, sorry, I just forget to breathe, people, which sounds pretty stupid, but I don't know. Down in 4, up in 5, okay? And this would mean, if this scenario would mean, where is it? That we could be pulling back into, sorry, wrong degree, minute wave 4, okay? So pairing up, what is important is pairing up with this correction, okay? Now, if we are pairing up with this correction, this is some sort of wave A, and B, C. Number-wise, downside target would be, God, that's a good, because 22 is very important. So I would expect a bounce of 22,000 and then as we go down, I don't know, maybe 2150 would be the next logical place I would look for support. Okay, so I would say this is the one reasonable alternative to where is this, to this count, which is my preferred count, my main count. Now here with my main count, as you can see, what I'm saying is down in A, up in B, down in C. Okay, wrong degree, sorry. Okay, so let me zoom back in. I'm saying we have up top here, okay, which kind of, if we look at this channel, it kind of makes sense. Then if we were to draw the channel of minuet, connect 1 and 3, projected to Gary estimate for wave 4, there we go, we're very close. And also, as I said, 22,000 is a very important number, so I would expect support of 22,000. Okay, now there's also one additional thing which I think is quite important to mention. So allow me to delete this for now. As you can see, I think what is interesting is we've kind of bounced back and forth the middle line of this channel. I found that pretty interesting. Down in A, up in B, 1, 2, maybe even 3, 4, and 5. To be honest, we could be close to a bottom. What is? So this is the CFD, so it's kind of pulling back, but I'm not saying anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could be in place. I don't know. It's too risky to say it. I never say it. Never mind. So that's one way to look at it. So what I'm going to say is confluence. I mean that if we take a look at the American indices, obviously, I'm expecting some sort of a so ignore this count, ignore the count, but I'm expecting some sort of a bottom soon. Okay, even that was the S&P. Here's the Nasdaq. So I'm expecting some sort of a temporary bottom, so not permanent, just a bottom to then pull back. So a turning point, let's call it, soon. And that would make sense with the DAX also soon to bottom for this wave 4. Okay, that's why this remains my preferred count. But I think it was that's what we do here on the channel. I present alternates, and I think that was something worth mentioning, that this could also be in place. I guess this would kind of fit the fact that in the American indices we are kind of doing this, so we're bottoming in potentially a wave 8. That would be my best guess on the Americans, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember my counts correctly, which it's a strong assumption. But yeah, I just want to present the alternatives. Do I see any other reasonable alternative? Not really. I guess it's it's more of a matter of let's see the relationship 3 against 1. Yeah, we passed equality, so it's possible. But I mean, ideally we get to 1.618, and that would obviously open up the possibility to discount, right? Further, oopsie. Where is this? Nope. Why is that here? Wrong folder. And that would open up the possibility of further upside into this wave 5 of 3 to then actually reach 1.618 of minute 3 against 1. Okay. Now you may ask, and in the video, which one is Barrett? You guys know my answer of being here long enough. I don't know. If I knew, I wouldn't be here. So those are the two main scenarios I see. If you have any questions, let me know that in the comments. Thank you for watching. I will hope to see you in the next video, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great Monday, everyone.